FFmpeg is a collection of libraries and tools to process multimedia content such as audio, video, subtitles and related metadata. FFmpeg is a command line toolbox to manipulate, convert and stream multimedia content. If filter volume has an unconnected output error appeared on your terminal or Termux environment, usually it means that your FFmpeg script is missing one or few parameters in a mix section. So, please, check the mix section of missing volume parameter. Please, don't forget to subscribe, put likes, make some comments.